Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we see exercise 7.1 question number 8, that is show that the points minus 4 comma minus 7 minus 1 comma 2 8 comma 5 and 5 comma minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus and find its area. So here let us consider the points in the same order like A, B, C, D. We need to prove that A, B, C, D form a rhombus. Let us see the properties of rhombus first. For example, here I am taking A, first point, that is minus 4 comma minus 7, right? This is B, that is second point, minus 1 comma 2. This is C, that is third point, 8 comma 5, and this is D, that is fourth point, 5 comma minus 4. This is what taking in order. For proving ABCD is a rhombus, what are the things to be verified? First one is rhombus has all the four sides equal. It has four equal sides. So here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. This is what the thing what we need to check first. And the second thing is that in a rhombus, diagonals, length of diagonals is not equal. That means here AC is not equal to BD. This is the second case. And the third one what we need to check, in a rhombus, even though the length of the diagonals are not equal, but the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. At 90 degrees anyway, this concept is based on the distances. So here angle, whether we check or we do not check, it's not a problem, but the thing is that we have to check that the diagonals bisect each other. So let us take this point as P. That means here P is the midpoint of AC, the same P is the midpoint of BD. That means here what we need to check, midpoint of AC should be equal to midpoint of BD. This is what, children, our checklist, right? If these points follow all the three conditions, then we can say ABCD is a rhombus. Shall we start now? So first one, AB. So here before starting the problem, let us write the distance formula. That is, if AX comma x1 comma y1 is the first point, BX2 comma y2 is the second point, the distance between AB is, we have a formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Based on this formula, we are going to solve the problem. This is the suitable formula for this question. Now let us find first AB, distance between A and B. First here A is minus 4 comma minus 7, B is minus 1 comma 2. So I am finding distance between A and B. Minus 1 minus of minus means plus 4. Minus 1 minus of minus 4, that is plus 4. Minus 1 plus 4 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 7. So that is 2 plus 7. This is 2 plus 7 whole square is equal to minus 1 plus 4 can also be said as 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. Plus 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 square is 81. So here it can be written as root 90. So let us write this as 9 into 10. This 90 can be written as 9 into 10. So here you observe addition means we cannot split the square root. Here you do not think that is root 9 plus root 81, whereas in multiplication it can be splitted, right? So here root 9 can be written as 3, root 10 let us leave it as it is. So this value here we can write it as, this is 3 root 10. So here I am writing, this is root 9 is 3, so it is 3 root 10 units. That is the distance between A and B, that is 3 root 10. Now I am finding BC. BC is again under root. See BC, 8 minus of minus 1, so 8 plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 whole square. So it is 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 square is 81 plus 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. As usual, this is again root 90. 81 plus 9 is 90. So root 90, earlier I have told you that is 3 root 10. So here it is 3 root 10 units. AB over BC over. Now we should find CD. Distance between C and D. It is under root C 8 comma 5, D 5 comma minus 4. 8 minus 5 whole square, 8 minus 5 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 4. It itself is minus 4. So 5 minus of minus means 5 plus 4 whole square. It is 5 plus 4 whole square. Let us write their values. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 square is 9 plus 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 square is 81. It is again 90. Root 90 can be written as 3 root 10. So 3 root 10 units. Now AB, BC, CD over. Now DA. So here I am finding DA. Distance between D and A. Means D is 5 minus 4. A is minus 4 minus 7. 5 minus of minus 4. So 5 plus 4 whole square. 5 plus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus of minus 7 means minus 4 plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7 whole square. On simplification, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 square is 81 plus minus 4 plus 7 nothing but 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is 3, 3 square is 9. So here this value also we got it as root 90, that is nothing but 3 root 10 units. Now here you observe, here all the values 3 root 10, 3 root 10, 3 root 10, 3 root 10. These values are nothing but AB, BC, CD, DA. Therefore, here we have AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Each is 3 root 10 units. So we got this first one. As this is the first one, let us take it as equation number 1. Right? Now let us check second condition, that is AC not equal to BD. So let us find AC first. AC in the sense distance between A and C. A minus 4 minus 7, C 8 comma 5. 8 minus of minus 4, that is 8 plus 4 whole square. 8 plus 4 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 7 means 5 plus 7. This is 5 plus 7 whole square. This can be written as 8 plus 4 means 12 square. 5 plus 7 is also 12 square. So we are writing this one as 12 square plus 12 square. It is 2 times 12 square. 2 times 12 square under root. This root can be splitted as root 2 into root 12 square. Their square and root get cancelled, so you get only 12. So finally it is 12 root 2 units. Is it clear? It is root 2 into root 12 square. Root 2 let us write as it is because it does not have the perfect square root. Whereas root 12 square, the square root and square get cancelled, you will get only perfect 12 you will get. So root 2 into 12 can be written as 12 root 2. 12 root 2 units. So we found AC. Now let us find BD. Distance between B and D. Here B is minus 1 comma 2. D is 5 comma minus 4. So minus 1 minus 5 whole square. Minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 4 means plus 4. 2 plus 4 whole square. Right? Now here let us simplify this value. Minus 1 minus 5 nothing but minus 6. Minus 6 whole square nothing but plus 6 square. Plus 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is 6 square. Here we get 6 square plus 6 square. This is 2 times 6 square. Let us split the square root. It is root 2 into root 6 square is 6. So here 6 comes forward. 6 root 2 units. Here you compare, children. Observe. AC is 12 times root 2 units, whereas BD is 6 times root 2 units. That means here these two values are not equal. So here we get, therefore AC value is not equal to BD value. So this is what here you see, that is the second condition what we need to check. So let us take it as equation number 2. Now let us check the third bit, that is midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Right? Now before going that, I would like to tell you the midpoint formula. So let us take first midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. Let us see the midpoint formula. Suppose A x1 y1, C x2 y2, or it may be B also. Here we are taking A and C, that's why I am taking A and C, right? So here A x1 y1, C x2 y2. Then midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Let us write the formula first. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Right. So here let us find the midpoint of AC. A minus 4 comma minus 7, C 8 comma 5. In this x1 is minus 4, in this x2 is 8. So minus 4 plus 8 by 2, minus 4 plus 8 by 2, comma. In this y1 is minus 7, in this y2 is 5. Minus 7 plus 5 by 2, minus 7 plus 5 by 2. On simplification, here we get, this is minus 4 plus 8 means 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4, right? 4 by 2 is 2. Hope you understand. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So here you get minus 1. So this is the midpoint of AC. Now we are going to find the midpoint of BD. Now midpoint of BD. Let us here B is minus 1 comma 2, D is 5 comma minus 4. x1 plus x2 by 2 means minus 1 plus 5 by 2. Minus 1 plus 5 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. y1 is 2 here, y2 is minus 4. So 2 plus minus 4 means we can write 2 minus 4, because plus into minus is minus. 2 plus minus 4, plus into minus 4 is minus 4. So 2 minus 4 by 2. Let us simplify this. Minus 1 plus 5 can be said as 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Right. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is 2 get cancelled. This is minus 1. So here you observe, midpoint of AC is 2 comma minus 1. Midpoint of BD is also 2 comma minus 1. See, these two values are equal. So here we can write, therefore midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD. This is our third condition here. So let us take this condition as equation number. This is 3. So let us take this also 3 not to get confusion. So here, if you observe, we have proved first condition. It says that all the four sides are equal. We have proved the second condition, that says that lengths of the diagonals are not equal. We proved the third condition also. It says that the diagonals bisect each other. So by proving these, so here by already we have proved this, so we can write that we have, these are the conditions, based on these conditions, therefore the given points, let us take it as A, B, C and D, these points taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. A, B, C, D are the vertices of a rhombus, the vertices of a rhombus. See here, let us check, can we conclude the problem here? Let us read the question. After proving that they form a rhombus, we are asked to find its area also. Now let us see how to find the area of the rhombus. Now let us find the area of the rhombus ABCD. Area of rhombus ABCD. Area of rhombus, we have a formula, that is 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, where d1 is diagonal 1. If you take d1 as AC, then d2 will be BD. If not, if you take d1 as BD, then d2 will be AC. However you want, you can take. So here I am taking d1 as AC. Already we have found this value. This is 12 root 2 units. Just now we found it. AC is 12 root 2 units. So d1 is 12 root 2 units. Same way d2. d2 is nothing but, since we have taken AC as d1, now BD will be second diagonal. d1, d2 they are for diagonals. So here BD is equal to, already we got this value, it is 6 root 2 units. 6 root 2 units. Let us substitute these values here. So this is 1 by 2 into d1. d1 nothing but AC. AC is 12 root 2. So 1 by 2 into 12 root 2 into, this is d2. d2 is BD. BD means 6 root 2. So it is 6 root 2. Right? So on simplification, let us write here 12 first, then here 6 into root 2 into root 2 is root 2 square. Square root get cancelled. You will get here 2. Right? This 1 by 2 is also there. Let us write by 2. If you maintain 1 by 2 same, then also no problem. Then here 2 and 2 get cancelled. 12 6 are 72. Right? Here one thing you need to keep in mind, children. If you leave the answer as it is, there is a chance to lose the marks, because here units, the units, writing units is very important. Here you see AC is 12 root 2 units, BD is 6 root 2 units. Here then can we write 72 or 72 units? No, because here you multiplied these two, d1 into d2. So we multiply 12 root 2 into 6 root 2, right? U into U also to be multiplied. U into U nothing but U square. So here this is 72 U square, or it can be written as 72 square units. Square units. So this is the area of the given rhombus ABCD. With this problem 8th one gets completed.